You know, sometimes our mind just doesn't stop. Thoughts keep spinning again and again, and peace feels so far away. There was this young man, Ethan, only 24, smart, kind, but heavy inside. His mind never rested. The past made him sad. The future made him scared. Even in silence, he felt noise inside, like he was trapped in his own head. One day, Ethan heard about a simple school teacher, not famous, not rich, but everyone respected him deeply. They said he could guide hearts, not just teach lessons. Ethan thought, if he can bring peace to children, maybe he can help me too. So he decided to meet him. When Ethan reached the school, it was break time. Children laughing, running, shouting, and in one quiet corner where sat the teacher, calm, peaceful, like shade under a tree on a hot summer day. Ethan bowed and said softly, "Sir, my thoughts never stop. My mind feels full, but empty of peace. Please, show me how to be free." The teacher didn't answer. He simply picked up a glass of water, filled to the very top, and handed it to Ethan, then said quietly, "Walk around the schoolyard once, and come back without spilling a single drop." Ethan blinked. Okay. He started walking, children laughing, footballs rolling, voices everywhere. At first, Ethan felt nervous. What if I drop it? What if I mess up? But step by step, he focused only on the glass, his eyes fixed, his hands steady. He forgot the noise, he forgot the children, he even forgot himself. Only one thing mattered: the water. When Ethan came back, the glass was still full. Not a single drop had spilled. The teacher smiled gently and asked, "Tell me, Ethan, did you hear the laughter? Did you see the children playing?" Ethan shook his head slowly. "No, sir. I didn't notice anything. My mind was only with the glass." The teacher nodded. "That's the secret, my son. Your mind is like this glass. When it's filled with noise, regrets of the past, fears of the future, it becomes unstable. But when you empty it and hold only what truly matters, peace appears on its own." Ethan stood still. Something inside him shifted. For the first time, he felt it. Peace. Not from silence outside, but silence inside. He finally understood. It's not about stopping the world. It's about calming the heart. The teacher smiled and said, "A wise person isn't the one who knows everything, but the one who stays quiet inside, even when the world is loud." Ethan listened, and the words felt like sunlight through clouds. That evening, as the sun touched the ground, Ethan walked away lighter, softer. He whispered to himself, "To live freely, I must learn to empty my mind." Because noise will always exist, in schools, in cities, in life. But peace lives inside you. When you let go of what's unnecessary, you finally grow.